Dear student, today's discussion on biology section, class 12th, chapter 1st, reproduction in organism. The lesson name is reproduction in organism. In this chapter, main theme are outlined. First, modes of reproduction in plant and animal. In this outline is a different section. First section, asexual reproduction. Second, vegetative reproduction in plant. Sexual reproduction. And third and last, events in sexual reproduction. Sexuality in plant, sexual reproduction in flowering plant, and last topic, sexuality in animal. My students, the main topic focus on reproduction, and reproduction is mainly in our ecosystem two types, plant and animal. But here the main definition of reproduction is the reproduction is a process that results in the formation of new individual of the same kind through usually with slight genetic, structural and physiological variation. Dear student, the main topic in this chapter, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. We know the plant reproduction, a plant give the asexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction and sexual reproduction. And animal give the sexual and asexual reproduction. Here student, first attend we study the plant reproduction and the topic asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. There is a large diversity in the biological world, and each organism has involved in mechanism to multiply and produce offspring. Dear student, means in ecosystem, in environmental condition, the two modes, male or female, male and male, female and female in plant is reproductive condition, birth the new plant. We study vegetative asexual sexual process. Vegetative reproduction include all those process in which part of the plant body is separated from the parent and give rise to new individual without any obvious change in the protoplasm. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, a single organism is capable of producing its own kind. Participant of two organisms is not required. The individual produced are genetically identical and are the exact copy of a parent. The term clone is used to describe such morphologically and genetically similar individual, such as protozoa, sponge, solentrata, etc. Dear student, means asexual reproduction not compensation of two male and female. In this process, asexual reproduction only contain male or female. Both are one, male and female. But vegetative reproduction in plant, vegetative reproduction in always occurrence in plant. Occurrence in plant. Vegetative reproduction in plant when any plant growth, our stems, leaves, root in any condition, any atmosphere growth, a new plant, generate the new plant is called vegetative reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction compulsory the male and female bodies. When male and female bodies with fusion in any atmosphere or adapted atmosphere keeps the sexual reproduction. Dear student, events in sexual reproduction. Events in sexual reproduction means when sexual reproduction, plant and animal, the condition and atmospheric and many occurrence condition is visualization in sexual reproduction. Earlier topic, the sexuality in plant means two organisms, male and female. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant, the main topic and important topic, sexual reproduction. Very important topic in your board exam. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Here, in flowering plant means which plant arise the flower. Arise the flower. This plant give the sexual reproduction in flowering plant means any flower present the sepal, petal, stigma, anther, etc. Next, sexuality in animal. Dear student, animal in ecosystem, we know animal such as human being, cat, dog, and small to larger, larger to small, unicellular to multicellular are animal. Animal always not as sexual in animal give the asexual and sexual. But here we study the sexuality in animal. We such as animal means human is mammalian organs is mostly sexual. Sexual in animals present the male and female bodies, and copulation and give birth new child is called sexuality in animal.